I'm here with the Pure Air3 Pro electric folding scooter. You'll be speeding around the garden with this scooter thanks to its 500 watt motor that will give you a responsive acceleration and a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour. And when you're going over bumpy terrain, the Pure Control steering system gently returns the handlebars to the center position after a turn to give you a smooth ride without any jittery corners. You can let anyone around you know where you're going thanks to the handlebar indicators, and the advanced light will let you see where you're going in the dark. It's got 3 power modes, mainly pedestrian, normal and high, so you can ride however you like. It is also IP65 water and dust proof, meaning that you can use it rain or shine. And the 10-inch tubeless tires are puncture proof, so you won't have to worry about them going flat. Another thing you won't have to worry about is running out of charge, as this thing can do 25 miles on a full charge and it takes 6 hours to charge back.